If you want to do private with me, you can send me your WhatsApp number. Thank you. Follow me, guys. Kulangot ka ba? Hello. If you want to do private, hello po. Hi, Jason. Gusto mo mag-admin? Bago lang ako eh. Follow me, guys. Opa. Huh? Follow me, guys. Thank you. Hi, Frank. Thank you for following me, guys. If you want to do private with me, guys, you can send me your WhatsApp number on my... I can't reply. Oh, thank you, ID number. Patry daw. Hope. Patry daw ng alin. Send mo yung WhatsApp number mo, Hope. Wait lang, Beb, Jason. Saglit lang. Ayan, na-admin na kita. Okay na? ID number, hello. Hope, send your WhatsApp number. I can't reply. Masasayang lang yung message mo sa akin sa message. Kasi hindi ako makareply. Just send your WhatsApp number. Lucky Titi ko. Parang nag-message ka na. Follow me po. Hope, send your number kasi I can't reply. Hindi gumagana yung message section ko. Makaka-receive ako ng message nyo, pero message ko hindi nyo marireceive. So, send your number to me. Follow me, guys. I will live for 10 minutes lang. Kuha lang tayo ng private. Gusto ko lang mag-private. Wilson Tan, hello. Hi, Vic. Follow me, guys. Hi, Jack. Wala akong asawa, guys. I'm single. Ilang taon lang ako. Hi, Kent. Hello po. Follow nyo na ako, guys. Ending nag-live-in pa. Chares. Hello po. Let's do private, guys. Send me your WhatsApp number. Hope, sure ba yan? Yes, na-receive ko, Hope. If sure ka, press 1, mag-e-end live ako. Comment ka, Hope, if yes, mag-e-end live ako. Sure? Okay.